plagiarism detector. Let's see how it works. Firstly, the user registers as teacher or student by filling out basic info such as teacher or student ID, name, email, phone number, course and password. And they can log in via the username, which is auto-generated based on the given information and their password. At start, every student have nothing on their dashboard, until the teacher of their course uploads the assignment question file and set a due date for submission. Then the student can see that question file for the assignment on their dashboard, which they can download, and also they can see due date to submit the assignment. After all the student have uploaded their assignment, the teacher logins to see submitted assignments by students of his or her course on the teacher's dashboard, where the teacher can check plagiarism of one assignment among all in the same course and also over the internet. The teacher can also set parameters such as either to include or exclude references and quotes. After all of this, the teacher marks the assignment and gives remarks which the students can see on their dashboard along with the plagiarism report. We can't forget about the admin who has to manage all the students' and teachers' information. You should consider giving a like to the developer. After all, he has created this web app. This web app is nightmare for those who copies from their friend or the internet. The source code is available at my GitHub, github.com/mussabpro/plagiarism detector.